Yeah, this is part of the non-kinetic effort. Other aspects is the aspects of discussion, building roads, building schools, water resources, making life easy. Once people are comfortable, they can eat, they can sleep. Who are the ones selling food to these guys, carrying food, thinking that they are making profit? Somebody comes, you see in your community, you see a strange face. Today they come and buy 200 bread. Tomorrow they are buying 200 slippers. Next tomorrow, you should ask questions. Who are these people? What are you doing here? And then you report. So we want to appreciate Nigerians for the support we're getting for the armed forces and want to assure them that the security forces and the government are working together hand in hand to ensure that Nigeria is safe. We want to stop this. We want to free everybody that is abducted, anybody that's been kidnapped. We want to ensure that they are free so that they can enjoy the benefit of being Nigerians. So
we actually want peace in Nigeria, and I believe education will give us peace. In those days in Nigeria, there was harmony between Christians and Muslims. But we don't have that again. We want to revive it. Christian Academy here in Kaduna is going to do the same, producing great men and great women for our country, Nigeria.
Terrorism comes out of ignorance and ideology. Education wipes out ignorance and any negative ideology and makes someone reasonable. So a school like this will help a great deal. And don't forget that those who funded this school have done the same thing to Muslims. What they are simply trying to see is that both Christians and Muslim upcoming generations become more exposed, more educated, more informed, and will not allow or accept to be recruited into any form of terror. We will do our best from our end to see that the children that will be trained here make a difference in the society, make a difference in the nation.
We believe that community development, capacity development, and youth development is the panacea to dealing with our security challenges today in this country. There is no how an educated child would wake up and think of carrying arms against his neighbor. Today we have people at the helm of security affairs who believe that fighting insecurity isn't just by the gun barrel. They believe in carrot and stick approach. They believe in community development, and that is the reason why we are gathered here, because we believe that community development is what we ultimately need.
Youth, we are sure of a reduction in the crime rate because they will be engaged with skills, education, and with jobs. It is this idleness that actually contributes a lot in having them initiated or indoctrinated and then radicalized and then get involved in the commission of crimes and all sorts of bad things in society. So they are going to be productive to the society, the community, the country, the state and the country at large.